Now for this square root problem, I have a polynomial that isn't a difference of squares. I have a polynomial that is a sum of squares. Sum of squares. And we can tell that it's a sum of squares because there's a plus in the middle. Whenever you have a sum of squares, you're going to write prime. And prime basically means you cannot factor it. You cannot factor it. So if I had a minus in between, I would be able to factor that. X squared minus 9 would just be x minus 3 times x plus 3. But because this is a sum of squares, there's no way I can factor it. So I just write the word prime. Now, sometimes when I do sum of squares, I will tell my students that you cannot factor it. And then sometimes I'll break this into a middle term, so that now I have three terms that I'm working with: x squared plus 0x plus 9. So now this becomes a trinomial question. It becomes a rainbow question, because now what I can do is I can take that first number, multiply it by the last number. 1 times 9 is 9. So I know that I need to multiply to 9. I'll put that m equals 9 over there. But I would also have to add up to the middle number, which here is 0. So I put the 0 beside the a. So now the task that I'm faced with is I need to find two numbers that multiply to 9 but add up to 0. No matter which way I do it, whether it's 3 and 3 or 9 and 1, I can't find any two numbers that'll add up to 0. So that's why we can say that this is a prime.